welcome back to another travel vlog. So this time around we are headed to Vietnam, in particular North Vietnam. So what I just showed you there was the cost for the entire trip, which is in ringgit, which was about 1,004 ringgit. And let me break it down for you. So the flight ticket costed me about 270. Our accommodation only costed us about 150 to 100 ringgit. So that really reduced the bulk of the cost, as we needed to save a bit more into our transportation, as we only had 5 days. So, and the distances that we were traveling were quite far apart, so we had to get a car and driver. I would split it 5 ways, and yeah, that took up, we paid about 120 US dollars, which was about 490 ringgit. So North Vietnam is really so scenic. It's very beautiful. Like whatever the footage is, whatever the 4K videos that you watch online, really will not do it justice. And we took off right after we landed. Straight, it's about a 6 to 8 hour car drive, 4-wheel drive, all the way up north, right up to Ban Gioc. There's always a question on how to get to these wonderful falls, because it's actually quite off the beaten path, unless you have lots of time and you have your own transport and you want to drive yourself up and like stop on the way. You would absolutely do that. I think that would be the best choice, especially if you have a motorbike with you and you just want to like cruise along, because the views are just to die for. It is really breathtaking. The mountains and the stuff that's surrounding you with the green paddies, you know, like it's really great. I mean, if I were to do it again, yes, I would definitely want to get on a bike and like ride all the way up. There are only, I think, 2 buses that fit the timings. It's like one at 3 p.m. and one at 8 p.m. Technically, you still need 3 days to go up and down in total because of the bus timings per se. So, yep, that's the reason, the main reason actually we got a car and a driver to drive us up, because the driving is on the left side. And, you know, new roads, so yep, we prefer to be in the backseat. So the journey took us about 6 hours. We stopped in Khao Bang to have some food.
Hi guys, we are at Khao Bang.
We've got 2 miles to go to get to the falls.
It's been crazy tiring traveling.
Yeah man, the roads are good but it's just tiring.
I've been sleeping throughout, so
That's why I've been sleeping throughout. Shall we recommend them going by bus?
no, I don't think so.
Maybe if you got a sleeper bus, it'll be
Yeah, if there is a sleeper bus.
but definitely no traveling at night, because there are no road lights. And
Some sceneries are really pretty, though.
yeah, so
Mountains.
travel during the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big plus. And now we're having lunch at a restaurant by Fluke. We haven't really been here. There's no suggestions or recommendations, but we'll see what happens. The guy just went to buy us the meat.
Dòng suối chảy lên sông, rừng thông reo gió rì rào, để dân còn qua bao con suối, non xa đắm đuối ngưỡng vào. Đồng tàu hóa thành tiên nữ sang, nếu đã tàn duyên yêu tình, bao đời sau còn
Good, great. Everything's good today.
good today.
Yeah.
Bàn
Yeah, finish.
thác bạc ngang tầng mây, đàn én bay ngang lưng trời.
It is a traditional family that is running a homestay, a very young family with young kids, and really nice actually. To be honest, I think the best food that I had on the trip was in that homestay. The views are great. It's right there. It's very walkable to the waterfalls. In fact, if you don't have a car, or you know you just want to take in the fresh air and enjoy the views, yep, it's definitely walkable to the falls. Hi guys, morning. So here's the view from our free homestay. I think it's pretty decent, man. It's got majestic mountains surrounding you, and it's 6 in the morning now. No, it's 7 in the morning. It's
quite cold. It's about 16-17 degrees. And we're off to the waterfalls. Thankfully it's a bit, there's no rain, but it's cloudy, so let's hope for some good weather so I can get those pretty drone shots to you.
Her homestay to the waterfalls is only about 10 minutes by car, so a half an hour walk, but in the morning it's great if you want to catch sunrise and stuff. So the waterfalls costs you about $45,000, and yep, it's right there. Just go in and just appreciate the beauty. We strongly advise not to swim in there. And what's interesting is that this falls sits half on the Vietnamese border and half on the Chinese border.
I don't know if you can see me, but yep, it's China over there. And like some people are waving at us, so we're just waving. Bye! You think you're casual or what? We're going back to Vietnam, that's China. And there's Vietnam, there's the Ban Gioc Waterfalls. Let's do it!
As soon as we were done with the falls by about 10 in the morning, we had breakfast and then we headed back down all the way to Hanoi.